it's time. It is finally time to set up my classroom. So I just got back from being in North Dakota and Chicago, and it was nice to see family. It was fun. Concert was amazing. Video to come, travel vlog, whatever. But it is time to finally start setting up my classroom. They have finished the deep cleaning of my room. They haven't finished the deep cleaning of my resource room, but that's fine. I don't have to set that up. That's already set up. But they have finished the deep cleaning of my classroom and my office, and it is officially time to start setting up. Thank God. I have been going stir crazy. So let me show you a couple things. Actually, I will show you a few things. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna grab, all of my furniture has been shoved over here, so I'm gonna grab a chair. And okay, so a few things have been purchased. Let me put this down. I have a tripod, and I have microphones, and I left both of them at the apartment. Clearly I have planned ahead very well, but okay, so a few things have been purchased. First of all, this border I brought with me. It was in my last classroom. I didn't really put bulletin board border on anything, as you can see by the fact that I have 4 packs of this, but I have 2 very large bulletin boards out in the hallway, and I'm going to use rainbow on those. So one of them is going to have this border, which I used before, and then the other one is going to have this border, which I purchased. This one's double-sided. I'm not gonna use the smiley face side. I just want the rainbow watercolor. So those borders are specifically for out in the hallway, not for the bulletin boards in my room, because I'm going with a black and gold theme. I am switching it up for the first time in my education career. For once, I'm not going to do watercolor rainbows. I'm going to do black and gold for 2 reasons. Number 1, those are my school colors. And number 2, that is the color of the carpet, and I don't want to fight that. So yeah, bought that. Got envelopes to keep track of recipients for things I purchased for my classroom. And then I just came here from Walmart. The lighting is horrific. But I just came from Walmart, got command strips, command hooks, more command hooks, more command hooks. And then I found this will be interesting. So Astro Brights apparently makes lined notebook paper now, which is awesome. So I got a pack of that, and we're gonna see how that goes, which if this works, I'm gonna be talking to my mom about this, because my mom is a student for students who are visually impaired, and she has some kiddos who need Astro Bright paper, specifically solar yellow, which but you know, so yeah, lined paper from Astro Brights. So I got that. I have also been gifted from some amazing people some stuff off of my Amazon wish list, which is insane because I didn't think anyone would buy stuff off of my wish list for me. I just kind of put it out as here it is, and so some people have bought stuff for me, and that's amazing. I am so appreciative, and I'm very thankful to everyone who has purchased stuff for my classroom, because that's super amazing. But some things people have gifted me. First of all, these wire racks that I'm going to hang up on the wall, to hang up, just anything really. And then I have been gifted a gold bulletin board border for in my classroom. You just can't see my head, it's fine. Oh my God, this, I'm so excited about this. So my dear sweet friend Rin, whom I love very much, she messaged me and she's like, hey, I'm gonna buy you a present. And so the present she bought me, I love her. She bought me this sign. I'm in love. This is amazing. I don't know where it's going yet. I need to find the perfect place for it. But yeah, she bought me this neon sign. I adore it. I love you, Rin. Thank you so much. This is amazing. And then, okay, I can change the brightness of the sign. But yeah, so I have this sign, which I'm super stoked about. And then I have been gifted Expo markers, Crayola dry erase markers, which awesome. Favorite type of dry erase markers. I've just been kind of like shoving stuff places, so I don't know where everything is that I have been gifted. Oh, the person who sent me the black frames also sent me these like golden clips so I can keep hanging stuff. I have been sent, I just can't like shove stuff in cabinets. I didn't plan this out very well. Nothing in there. Nothing in here. I mean, I've been gifted some more stuff. I just don't know where I should. Oh, I know I have like whiteboard marker holders on my thing. I was gifted. Oh, I was also gifted. Where did I put it? I was also gifted these like worry stones from my Amazon wishlist. I love them. So just like little textured pieces of like rubber. I love it, especially this black one. Like when I first opened the box, I think I had this one in my hand the entire time I was at my school. So this is awesome. Love these worry stones. But so that is, I know I was gifted more things, but I like cannot think of them off the top of my head. Oh, and one other thing I have been given. I was telling one of my dear sweet friends about how I didn't know if I wanted a coffee maker or not in my office. And she's like, oh, I have one, you can have it for free. And it's like my favorite color and everything. So now I have my little Keurig as well. So thank you, Aria. I love my little Keurig. Oh, there's other stuff I have been gifted. So other stuff I've been gifted is these like hexagonal like push pin things for, I'm gonna put them up in my office. And then I think that's it. But yeah, so we've got stuff in here. Now it is time. I think the first thing I'm going to do is figure out the configuration of my furniture. So I have kidney bean table. That little table I know is going to go right up here under my TV. What is that called? File cabinet, that's it. That file cabinet is going to stay in that corner because I put it in that corner and I don't want to move it again. So yeah, little table, file cabinet, kidney bean table. I have two like half circle tables, which I don't think I'm gonna like separate them. I think I'm gonna keep them together and make like a circle. And then I have, I think two, maybe three. Oh, I've got two long rectangular tables and then two more short tables. So here are the tables I'm working with. That table, kidney bean table, these two halves of my circular table, two long tables, and then two more short tables, which one of them is gonna go by that door because that's where like emergency stuff sits. And then chairs, that pillow needs to go, I'm not keeping that pillow. One wheelie chair, other wheelie chair. And then my little 3-tiered cart, which currently houses my phone. So I am going to start by arranging my furniture where I think I want it, and I will show you where I end up putting it. All right, so kidney table plus chair moved there, two tables moved there, plus that chair. Like I said, file cabinet staying, these two in an L shape right now. Circle table right there. Those two chairs are just kind of chilling by the window. And I have left all of those chairs because until I have decided, yes, this is where everything is going, I will not be unstacking those chairs. I know better. I don't need them anyway, so they will just stay like that until the very last minute. Now what we're going to do is start hanging stuff up. So those two wire racks need to be hung up. And then I have, there we go. Our like little posters for our school, you know, like our school management. So like, do your part, finish strong, you know, encouraging ways to basically say, do what you're supposed to do. I have 9 of them, so I'm gonna hang them up in a 3x3 grid on one of the walls. And then I also need to start organizing my shelves and such in my office. So let's start hanging stuff up. Okay, been working for a bit. Let me catch you up on everything I've done so far, and then I think I have to call it a day. So, because it's already almost, it's 5:40, so I need to like go home, make dinner, do stuff at home. So I think I'm gonna have to call it a day, but let me show you what's been done so far. So we've got all those hung up. And for those of you who are new to my setup style, I eyeball everything. So those have all been eyeballed. If it is not exactly straight, that's fine. I am type A 99% of the time, but with how many times I've had to set up a classroom, because I think this is my like 5th or 6th classroom in 8 years. With how many times I've had to set up a classroom, I eyeball things. So I got those set up. I got the 2 black racks. I think I want 2 more to go underneath. So I think I'm gonna add 2 more down there, which is why I put them up a bit higher. And then I just like put some stuff I have on it. Some of it is like my thing. Some of it is stuff that I was given by students. But I've got that. This is a hot mess still. That's just gonna be a hot mess for a while. Then in here, I found my little tea holder. We got my cork boards up, and then my postcards and pins are up. I bought another postcard when I went to Chicago. I need to bring that in and add it to my board. The master's hood has been hung up. My Turkish lamp is up there. I don't think I'm really gonna turn it on, so I just don't have it plugged in. I think it'll be fine. And then I have my high school diploma, because I really don't know where else to put that. And then that is actually not my master's degree. So my degrees are down in these frames. This is, when I got my master's, I also got a Science of Reading certificate. So that is my certificate in the Science of Reading. Let me just put that, there we go. So we got that. This shelf is still not done being set up. I still need to like do some stuff with that. But yeah, that's what we've got so far. So now that I've got some stuff up on the walls, I'm feeling good. I have a better idea too. I still need to make bulletin board stuff because I haven't done that yet. And then I need to start pulling stuff out of cabinets and organizing stuff in cabinets, which is not going to be fun, but that is a job for later. As of right now, I need to go home, eat dinner, and do some other stuff for personal life. This counter is just going to remain a mess. It is what it is. But thank you for coming along for this ride. See you in classroom setup part 2.